the wide open sky, and that is my life. There is something deeper than the fathomless sea, and that is your life. Peace is not found in some distant place. It is the act of caring for and treasuring a single individual. It is the determination from all sadness
and grief. Daisaku Ikeda was born in Tokyo, Japan on January 2nd, 1928. As a teenager, growing up in the midst of World War II, Daisaku Ikeda personally experienced the senseless horror, misery, and cruelty of war. His 4 elder brothers were drafted into military service. His eldest brother was killed in action in Myanmar. Ikeda, the sight of his mother attempting to suppress her sobs upon receiving official notice of her son's death remains an indelibly engraved memory. He has written that in war it is ordinary citizens and especially women, mothers, who bear the heaviest burden of sadness and suffering. We must eliminate this tragedy from the face of the earth. With this conviction, he has worked tirelessly for peace, striving to build the defenses of peace in the hearts of individuals. At the same time, he has consistently stressed the importance of the United Nations as the Parliament of Humanity proposals regarding concrete means by which international peace can be secured. He is a recipient of the United Nations Peace Award, the UNHCR Humanitarian Award, and the Albert Einstein Peace Award. Great people have great mentors. At the age of 19, Ikeda met Jose Toda, second president. During the Second World War,
for 2 years for his strong refusal to support the Japanese military government.
Ikeda was deeply moved by Toda's unshakable conviction and noble character and decided to accept Toda as his mentor in life. Toda had a broad and profound understanding of many fields of learning. He taught Ikeda a wide variety of subjects such as religion, philosophy, politics, economics, society, culture, education, through private lessons. In this way, he indeed mentored Ikeda as his successor in the struggle to achieve world peace and the happiness of humankind. In the effort to promote world peace, Daisaku Ikeda believes that dialogue is the most powerful weapon to unite human beings, breaking through the barriers and boundaries that separate them. Based on this belief, he has traveled overseas more than 70 times since 1960, and during this period, he has visited 52 countries and territories, carrying out over 7,000 dialogues with world leaders and scholars. Those with whom he has engaged in dialogue include British historian Arnold Toynbee and American scientist Linus Pauling. He has also carried out discussions with His Royal Highness Sultan Azlan Shah, His Royal Highness Raja Dr. Nazrin Shah, Tun Dr. Mahathir, and Royal Professor Engku Aziz. At the same time, he continues to produce many publications such as dialogues with various different individuals, collections of lectures, anthologies of poems, novels, essays, and other works of prose. In 1988, Ikeda visited the University of Malaya and donated library.
And the arts have the capacity to bridge the gap of differences that separate human beings and unite their hearts. Daisaku Ikeda deeply believes in establishing friendship and promoting mutual understanding and trust through cultural exchanges. This will always be the greatest force for creating peace. In his efforts to promote cultural exchanges, Ikeda has established the Tokyo Fuji Art Museum and the Min On Concert Association. Exchanges of culture have occurred with cultural groups around the world, including Malaysia's complex Budaya Negara. This has strengthened further the friendship between Malaysia and Japan. Daisaku Ikeda is a renowned educator. He believes that the purpose of education is to nurture human beings and considers this
his most important work. Education is the final and most crucially important undertaking in my life, he often says. The inner potential of human beings is limitless. To open up and develop this potential is the task of education. He is the founder of Soka
Kindergartens in Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia, Brazil, and Korea. He has also established the Soka school system that includes elementary, junior high, and high schools in Tokyo and Kansai. At the tertiary level, he founded Soka University in Japan, as well as in the United States of America. Soka University now has academic exchange programs with 121 universities in 14 countries, University of Malaya, University Putra Malaysia, the Open University Malaysia, and University Kebangsaan Malaysia. To date, Soka University has received a total from the University of Malaya. A total of 52 students from Soka University have also studied in the University of Malaya. Ikeda also established many academic research institutes, such as the Toda Institute for Global Peace and Policy of Oriental Philosophy and the Ikeda Center for Peace, Learning and Dialogue. Daisaku Ikeda continues to reveal his thoughts on education through his books and lectures. He has indeed made rich and significant contributions in the field of education. Central to Ikeda's thinking is the idea that a self-directed transformation within the life and heart of each individual, rather than structural reforms in society alone, is the key to lasting peace and human happiness. This is termed human revolution. It is the crucial factor to change the 20th century of war into a 21st century of peace, to restore order in our chaotic world, and to rid humankind of misery. This is expressed most clearly in his novel called The Human Revolution. As he says, a great inner revolution in just a single individual will help achieve a change in the destiny of a nation and further will cause a change in the destiny of humankind. Wise people from this point of view and are convinced that a change in human beings is required in order to ensure its prosperity. With the human revolution will open up a century of humanity and peace, giving us a fresh direction in the pursuit of a great future for humankind. Daisaku Ikeda is an outstanding individual whose actions and philosophy continue to influence thousands